This is the Diablo 9-piece hole saw set. This hole saw set comes with this hard case here. It has 2 clips on the front. Open those guys up and then you can get your hole saws. These hole saws do use the Snap Lock Plus system by Diablo. Works super well. Grab your hole saw here. You line it up with the hex. You snap it in. Works super well, super quick. You drill your hole. If you need to switch it out, you can pull it back, grab another one, line it up in here, snap it back on, you're ready to rock and roll. I've used the 2-inch here primarily for cutting into metal and a lot of wood. It's worked very, very well for me. I haven't gotten the chance to use all of the other ones here, but this system has been awesome for me. I've had 0 issues. If you're looking for a solid hole saw set, I would highly recommend this to you. These sizes that are in this hole saw set, 2 inches, 1.5 inches, 1 3/8 here, 1 1/8, and then 7/8 here, and then you have 2 bases here for other hole saws if you need them. So if you're in the market for a hole saw set and you're looking for something that's solid, this guy is a great find.